This is an example of workflow for the design of a pedestrian bridge. The model is completely parametric, so we can change a single parameter, like for example the length of the bridge, and have immediately a feedback on the total design of the structure. In this case, we can change the width of the bridge. With the same parametric approach, we included also all the property for the structural design of the structure. So we can include all the information about steel and concrete element. We define and develop several in-house plugins for Grasshopper to include, for example, the rectangular hollow section, and in this case we can change the height or the base size of the element, simply changing the sliders. In the same way, we can also include restraint, we can include also structural loads, as visible with the pink arrow on the structure. We implement several different type of loads and load cases and load combination. All those information are collected together and sent to an external solver, in this case is SAP 2000, for the calculation. With just one click, all the information are transferred to the FeMM software as visible. Now are made the calculation and the deformation of the structure based on the different loads, load case and load combination are calculated by the software. All the results are directly included into the Grasshopper script. We can access to all the information are calculated from the FeMM software. For example, axial force or the bending moment on different direction. So we can have directly access to all the information that we have calculated, and we can immediately have a feedback about the verification of the element based on the calculation from the Eurocode standard. Then we can export all the information that we collected so far directly to the beam with just a simple click on this plugin. In the Revit model, we can import all those information and immediately have the 3D model of the structure with all the parameters that we assign in the Grasshopper script. We can also include the automatic creation of rebar for concrete columns and concrete beams. Rebars are created in an automatic way, so we can reduce the time spent in repetitive and manual operation. This way, we can create both structural and Revit models starting from one single model.